Hello children, welcome to my online class. Myself Apurva Tripathi and I am your geography teacher. Hope you all are well and doing well, studying well at your home in this critical situation. Children, before this we have been send you some study materials which were based on the syllabus. From now onwards, we will run through this new geography book, and the name of this book is A Textbook of Geography. A Textbook of Geography. Total 10 chapters are there in the book. Total 10 chapters are there in this book. Okay. So, our first topic, or we can say that our first chapter will be representation of geographical features. Representation of the geographical features. First of all, that we have to know about this chapter is objectives, or we can say that outline. Objectives, or we can say that outline. So, our first objective will be topographical survey maps introduction. Second topic will be use of colors on topographical sheets. Third topic will be the grid reference. Fourth topic will be scale. Fifth topic will be measuring distance. And the sixth topic will be conventional signs and symbols. Okay. In this class, we will read about the topographical survey maps, purpose of the maps, and use of colors on the topographical sheets. Okay. So, children, here we are going to start with the very first topic, and that is topographical survey maps, purpose of the topographical maps. Students, as we all are knowing that these types of maps are commonly known as the toposheets. These types of maps are commonly known as the toposheets. They are large scale. They are large scale maps based on the accurate survey of the land. These maps also shows as natural features of the ground. These maps also shows the natural features of the ground, as for example hills elevation, drainage, trees and vegetation. These maps also shows man-made features. These maps can also shows man-made features such as towns, villages, school, buildings, etc. They are very useful for planning of roads, irrigation, etc. These topographical survey maps are very useful for planning of roads, irrigation, etc. Now we are moving toward the new topic, and that is purpose of the topographical survey map. What is the purpose of the topographical maps? Why we are using this type of maps? Student, because these maps serve as a guide for travel. These types of maps are serve as a guide for the travel. They are used for military purpose also. They are used for military purpose also, and the most important, for the student of geography, they are very useful to study the regional geography of an area in detail. Okay, I am again repeating, for the student of geography, they are very useful to study the regional geography of an area in detail. Student, that's all for the topographical survey map and the purpose of these type of maps. Now we are moving toward the second topic, as I told you, use of colors on topographical sheets. As you all are knowing, maybe in the previous classes also, in class 6th, you all have read that we are using different types of colors in the maps. Okay, so children, you are knowing that these colors are play a very vital role in the maps, and all the natural and man-made features we can show with the help of these different colors. Okay, now I'm going to give you some short examples. As if yellow color is there on the map, it means that it is showing agricultural area. If we are using yellow color in the map, it means that it is showing the agricultural area, and we can say that cultivated land, plateaus, desert, etc. Okay. Second, if we are using green color, it means that green color is showing forest area. What green color is showing? Forest area. Now if we are using brown, okay, brown color, if we are using brown color, then we are showing mountain areas, plateaus, etc. Okay, and if we are using red color, then it is showing settlements, permanent settlements, huts, etc. Okay, so students, that's all for the today's online class. Okay, now I am going to give you some homework. Okay, you can note down anywhere. The first homework will be, what is the purpose of topographical map? Again I am repeating, what is the purpose of topographical maps? Second homework will be, why we are using the different colors on the map? Again I am repeating, why we are using the different colors on the map. Thank you.